Coming up, St Kentigern's College has taken one of New Zealand's rarest birds under its wing after a breeding pair decided to raise their family on the sports grounds.
Chance to get out on the
It's Friday.
It is Friday. 28 minutes after 8 o'clock, St Kentigern College has gone dotty over one of New Zealand's rarest birds. Not one, but 3 pairs of northern dotterel have chosen to nest on their sports field. And we've sent AM reporter Daz Martin to check it out this morning. Daz, good morning.
Good morning, Ryan. Yes, we are out here on Birdwatch this morning for the Turifatu, the New Zealand northern dotterel, which is a very rare bird, and the St Kentigern's Dotterel Preservation Society have teamed up to keep it safe. And I'm here with Anne, who is their president. Good morning, Anne.
Good morning.
Now tell us about what you are doing to keep these birds safe.
So we have a lot going on here at the college. We've got a trapping line all around the fields, so that's really helping to keep the nests free from the predators. We've got a lot of advocating happening, so we've got posters in the schools, we've got flyers going around to the neighborhood, and we've got signs up keeping the people and dogs away from our little dotterels.
That's amazing. And now tell me, just how many of these birds are there around here?
So on our field, we have 6 adults and 2 nests, and just recently we have a young chick that we found, yeah.
That's fantastic, because they don't breed very well, do they? They're not very good at producing chicks, so how rare is it that this chick has appeared?
They don't. So last year we have a successfully fledged chick, and it was the only one in the Tamaki history, so we're really honored to have them here.
That is fantastic. And also here with us, we have Auckland Council's Birdman Ben. Birdman Ben has joined us because the council is teaming up to campaign for the New Zealand northern dotterel for Bird of the Century. Now, they might not have the same budget as John Oliver, but they're going to do their darndest. Ben, give us your best pitch. Why should New Zealanders vote for the northern New Zealand dotterel for Bird of the Century?
No one's going to see a pūtiki-tiki around here. This is Turifatu country. Right here in the middle of Auckland, we've got birds nesting in the field, right on the Tamaki estuary here, and we really want people to look out for these beautiful birds, because they're more likely to see these birds all over their beaches this summer, and we want to make sure they're protected by making sure that they're looking out for their nests, keeping their dog under control, and making sure that they're doing any predator control like they're doing here.
Yeah, because how widely found are these birds? Are they just in the Auckland region, or are they further afield as well?
They're spreading further and further, going from Auckland, Northland, down the Bay of Plenty, Hawke's Bay. So it's really good to see them on the rise. There's over 2,600 birds across the country now, so we're really pleased about that.
Yeah, now I think we can see one of them up here. I hope the audience at home can see it as well. So there they are. If you see one of these birds around, vote for it. It is the Northern New Zealand Dotterel, Bird of the Century. Get your vote in.
Great stuff.
Nice one, Daz. That is very, very cool. And I love that there is a Northern Dotterel Preservation Society at the school now.
Yeah.
Isn't that awesome?
Yeah, very good place for them to choose to nest.
Yes.
It is 8:32 and right now it's time for news.